In this video I'm going to show you how to easily type the euro symbol on your iPhone. Be sure to wait until the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started. First we need to open any app that allows us to bring up the keyboard. So I'm going to open the message app. Once you're in the app, open app conversation to bring up the keyboard. Now you can start by entering some numbers, for example 2000. You'll notice that the keyboard displays some symbols, including the US dollar symbol. However, the euro symbol isn't visible right away. To access it, simple long press the dollar symbol. This will bring up a menu with extra option. Slide your finger over to find the euro symbol. And then lift your finger to insert it into your message. And that's it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.